Join the WebEx meetings from your iPhone or iPad. Download the app by either selecting the Cisco WebEx meetings in the App Store, or download the app by clicking the Join Meetings link in your email. After the app is downloaded, open the app. Select I accept terms of service. Join the WebEx video visit. Open the meeting invite in your email and click the Join link. This will automatically open the WebEx app for you. Enter your name and the email address the invite was sent to. Allow the two permission requests. OK to access microphone. OK to access camera. Choose how you want to connect audio. Use the default Use Internet for audio. Select Next. Select OK. Ensure the audio is on. Audio on or audio off. Ensure the video is on. Video on or video off. Select the green Join button. Find out more at olathehealth.org/telehealth.